If you got an SBA EIDL loan during times of absolute chaos and distress like thousands of other business owners, and now we're in 2024 and you cannot pay it back, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to go over what you need to do if you need lower payments, if you can't pay the loan back at all, and also if you have closed or plan on closing your business in the next couple of weeks or months. I'm going to give you guidance on what you can do. We're also going to go over what SBA is not doing, so hopefully it can ease some of your fears and worries and help you come up with a plan to reach out to SBA and deal with this situation. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tiffany. I'm a small business consultant, and between 2020 and 2023, I helped small businesses secure over $10 million. That included EIDL loans, PPP, and also corporate and local grants. If after watching this video, you need more one-on-one assistance and an evaluation of your particular situation, down in the pinned comments below, I have a link where you can schedule a one-on-one consultation with me. Now let's get into the information. Category number 1, if you need a lower payment. If you need a lower EIDL payment, ask SBA. SBA currently has a 60-day goodwill period, and that has taken place from January 1st and will continue through March 3rd. During this time, SBA is increasing its outreach to affected borrowers with loans under $100,000, and this is to ensure that you know about all of the payment options that are available to you. The COVID EIDL hardship accommodation plans can significantly lower your payments, sometimes all the way down to $25 per month for 6 months. And then after that 6 months is over, they're going to gradually increase payments over a multi-year period. If you need more information about the COVID EIDL hardship accommodation plans, it's available on SBA's website at sba.gov. Many borrowers can apply directly through their My SBA loan portal. And if you don't know how to access that, somewhere on this screen, I'm going to put a link to a video. I go over in detail how to access your My SBA loan portal. Once you're logged in, you're going to click loan summaries in the toolbar and then hardship accommodation plan. At the bottom right corner, it says learn more and enroll. If you don't utilize that option, you can also just reach out to SBA directly at their customer service phone number, which is 833-853-5638, or you can email them at COVIDEIDL servicing@sba.gov. You want to make sure that is at sba.gov because there are a lot of scams and spoofing going on. You can also message them directly through your My SBA loan portal. And then as far as them being open for phone calls, they're open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So if you work later in the afternoon, there is a window of time for you to be able to reach out to them directly. The next category is for those individuals who cannot make payments at all. If your loan is under $25,000, there was no collateral involved, and that loan is unsecured. So what that means is they're not going to come after your personal or business assets if your loan was under $25,000. If you had a loan between $25,000 and $200,000, it was secured by your business assets. If your business owns real estate, it's very likely that a lien was placed on your business assets in order to act as collateral for that loan. If your business does not have any assets, then there are no assets for SBA to come after. If you got a loan $200,000 or above, there is personal liability. SBA or the Treasury Department can come after your business assets and your personal assets, but we have not seen that taking place as of yet. One thing that I do want you to know is that these loans can be discharged in bankruptcy, and that may be an action necessary to protect your personal assets like your home. The next category is those of you whose business has closed or is closing. What you want to do is you want to contact SBA either by phone, but definitely by email. If your business has closed or is about to close, you want to gather all your business bank statements from 2020 until now. You also want to keep records or find records of how you've used the money so far. You want to account for any remaining business assets if you have them. You want to officially dissolve your business with the Secretary of State and file your business tax returns. And you also want to close your business bank account. Once you have officially closed your business, you want to reach out to SBA via email. Include your business name, your account and or loan number, and inform them that your business has closed. In that email, you also want to attach all of the documentation that I mentioned. You also want to inform them that you are unable to and will not be making payments because your business has closed. Once you have sent that email, you want to make sure that you keep records of the email. It is very likely that in that situation, SBA will charge off your loan and refer it to the Treasury Department. The Treasury Department are the ones who are going to be responsible for collections. Now let's go over what SBA is not doing. During the 60-day goodwill period, they are not taking aggressive action to collect debt, meaning they're not garnishing wages, they're not taking people to court, they're not going after your personal bank account or your personal assets. Once the goodwill period is over, defaulted debt will be transferred to the Treasury Department, which has more capacity to take more aggressive debt collection actions. Now, what is aggressive debt collection actions? Aggressive actions include retaining a portion of a taxpayer's refund or deducting amounts from other federal aid just to cover unpaid government debt. Currently, the Treasury Department is not suing borrowers or going after personal property or bank accounts, but please keep in mind that you can include this loan in bankruptcy filings. I am not an attorney or a CPA. This information is for entertainment and informational purposes only, but I hope that it helped you and gave you some guidance as far as your next steps as it pertains to the EIDL SBA loan. If you're looking for a one-on-one conversation about your particular situation, you can set up an evaluation with me by clicking the link down in the top pinned comment. Have you heard from SBA? Have you heard from the Treasury Department? What status is your loan in, and what information are you seeing on the ground? Leave a comment down below because this information is not only helpful to you, but it will help those who watch these videos and are a part of the Lunch Grow Business community. So leave a comment and let us know what you're seeing from the Treasury Department or from SBA.